Hey everyone, looking for the best multimeter for your electrical tasks? Let's dive into the top 3 contenders, the Fluke 117, Klein Tools MM600, and the Extech EX330. First up, the Fluke 117. Known as the gold standard for electricians, this multimeter packs a punch with its non-contact voltage detection and true RMS for accurate readings. It's robust, compact, and features a backlit display, making it perfect for low light conditions. However, at around $160, it's on the pricier side, ideal for pros who need precision and reliability. Next, the Klein Tools MM600. This one's a beast for high-voltage circuits, measuring up to 1000 V and surviving drops from up to 6.6 feet. Priced at about $100, it's more affordable and offers comprehensive measurements including temperature. But it lacks true RMS and has a non-backlit display, which might be a deal-breaker for some. Great for electricians in rugged environments. Finally, the Extech EX330, a budget-friendly option at around $70. This compact multimeter is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and beginners. It includes a built-in thermometer and non-contact voltage detection. Though it's not as durable and has a smaller display, its portability and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for occasional use. So, which one should you choose? If you need top-notch accuracy and durability, go for the Fluke 117. If you're looking for a tough, cost-effective multimeter, the Klein MM600 is your pick. And for budget-conscious users who need essential features, the Extech EX330 is the way to go. Remember, the best multimeter is the one that fits your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.